Hi friends, even though Halloween is over, I still have my pumpkin here at school and it's been carved and all the things have been taken out from inside. And here's the face. We use triangle shapes for the eyes and an upside triangle for the nose and a circle for the mouth. And the things that were inside were this part of the pumpkin and the seeds. And the seeds are fun to look at and explore, and then the pieces that come inside the pumpkin are pretty cool. They're kind of goopy, but they're really a lot of fun. So the experiment we're going to try today has vinegar and baking soda. So we're going to take off the top. We're going to pour in a whole bunch of baking soda. And what's your prediction? What do you think is going to happen when we pour in the vinegar? Let's find out. See if you can hear anything as it happens. Do you see it coming out the front? Isn't that awesome? I love this experiment. There's lots and lots of bubbles. If we had to count them, I think there's like 1,000,000 trillion bubbles. And it smells really good. You can try this at home with just baking soda and vinegar, but you have to have an adult help you. This is something you cannot do by yourself. So baking soda and a little bit of vinegar. I used a lot in here because this is a big space and I'm in school and I'm an adult. But let's try it one more time because it's pretty cool. And it also makes a really cool sound. Have fun with this, and when I'm done, I'm going to toss this in the garbage because we don't need this anymore. Have fun. Bye, friends.